Don't eat the marshmallow yet.
先别急着吃棉花糖。
One morning, a group of children entered a quiet room, each finding a soft, sweet marshmallow on the table.
清晨，一群小孩被带进一间安静的房间，每个人面前都放着一颗软绵绵的棉花糖。
One morning, a group of children entered a quiet room, each finding a soft, sweet marshmallow on the table. The teacher smiled and said, I'll leave for a while. If you don't eat it until I return, you'll get a second one.
老师微笑着说，我会离开一会儿，如果我回来时你还没吃，你就能得到第二颗。
The teacher smiled and said, I'll leave for a while. If you don't eat it until I return, you'll get a second one. As soon as the door closed, the room was filled with the smell of temptation.
门一关上，整个房间立刻被甜蜜的诱惑充满。
As soon as the door closed, the room was filled with the smell of temptation. A little boy poked his marshmallow, sniffed it, and finally stuffed it into his mouth within minutes.
一个小男孩戳戳棉花糖，闻一闻，没几分钟就塞进嘴里了。
A little boy poked his marshmallow, sniffed it, and finally stuffed it into his mouth within minutes. Another girl stared at it fiercely, as if the marshmallow were a sworn enemy she must defeat.
另一个女孩怒盯着棉花糖，好像它是必须被击败的死敌。
Another girl stared at it fiercely, as if the marshmallow were a sworn enemy she must defeat. Some children covered their eyes, hoping that what they couldn't see wouldn't tempt them.
有些孩子干脆蒙住双眼，希望看不见就不会受到诱惑。
Some children covered their eyes, hoping that what they couldn't see wouldn't tempt them. One boy paced around the table, chanting, Don't eat it, like a tiny warrior resisting himself.
一个男孩在桌旁绕来绕去，一边念着不能吃，不能吃，像个和自己作战的小战士。
One boy paced around the table, chanting, Don't eat it, like a tiny warrior resisting himself. A quiet girl folded her hands, humming softly, choosing to distract herself instead of staring at the treat.
一个安静的女孩双手交握，轻声哼着歌，选择让心思飘走，而不是一直盯着棉花糖。
A quiet girl folded her hands, humming softly, choosing to distract herself instead of staring at the treat. Some kids cried, torn between desire and the promise of something greater.
有些孩子甚至哭了，因为欲望与更大回报的承诺让他们不知所措。
Some kids cried, torn between desire and the promise of something greater. Minutes felt like hours, and the room grew heavy with the sound of tiny struggles.
几分钟像几个小时一样漫长，房间里充满了小小内心挣扎的声音。
Minutes felt like hours, and the room grew heavy with the sound of tiny struggles. At last, footsteps sounded outside. Every child froze, breath held.
终于，门外传来脚步声，所有孩子瞬间僵住，屏住呼吸。
At last, footsteps sounded outside. Every child froze, breath held. The teacher entered, smiling at the children who still had their marshmallows untouched.
老师走进来，对那些还保留着棉花糖的孩子露出微笑。
The teacher entered, smiling at the children who still had their marshmallows untouched. You did it, she said gently, placing a second marshmallow in front of them.
你们做到了，老师温柔地说，并在他们面前放上第二颗棉花糖。
You did it, she said gently, placing a second marshmallow in front of them. The children who waited felt their hearts bloom with quiet pride.
那些忍耐过的小孩，心里悄悄地盛开了自豪。
The children who waited felt their hearts bloom with quiet pride. And the ones who couldn't wait learned something too, how hard it is to win against themselves.
而那些没忍住的小孩，也明白了一件事：战胜自己是多么困难的挑战。
And the ones who couldn't wait learned something too, how hard it is to win against themselves. Because in life, the sweetest rewards belong not to those who rush, but to those who endure a little longer.
因为在人生中，最甜的回报从来不是最快得到的，而是愿意再多忍耐一下的人。
Because in life, the sweetest rewards belong not to those who rush, but to those who endure a little longer.